Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming your Apple ID is signed into iCloud and two-factor authentication is active. Open the Mail app on your device or go to iCloud. com/mail in a browser. This gives you the iCloud interface. Once done, verify your internet connection, Wi-Fi or cellular, so messages can send. Make sure Mail is allowed in settings for background fetch. This ensures drafts and outgoing messages sync. Now you're ready to compose your first message using iCloud's send features. You compose by tapping Compose or clicking the new message icon. A blank message opens. Enter recipients into and use CC or BCC when needed. Check addresses for typos to avoid bounce-backs. Add a clear subject line and type your message. Keep important points first. To attach files, drag into the window, use the Attach button or paste images. iCloud preserves file size limits, so compress large files if required. Once your message reads well, you're ready for final checks. You hit send and watch for the sending animation or confirmation. iCloud queues and syncs outgoing mail instantly when online. Make sure Mail Sync is enabled so sent items appear across devices. Refresh or pull to update status. If a message fails, check your account status, reauthorize Apple ID if prompted, and confirm the attachment size is under limits. Larger files can block sending. As a quick fix, retry after reconnecting to Wi-Fi or remove big attachments and send again.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.